In this video, we will show you how to increase eraser size in Microsoft Paint. I'm a little bit confused. There is many people asking about this. Actually, to increase the eraser size in Microsoft Paint, it's very easy, but also have the limit of the size. How to do that? First, you can open your Microsoft Paint and let's try to draw something here. We can draw using shapes or using pen. Okay, for example, like this. And when you are using the eraser, you can see it very small. Okay, actually you can increase the size by clicking this after you activate the eraser and select maximum values. Okay, you can see it is different when you use this. You can see it's very small, but if you are using the maximum values, you can see there it's bigger. But how to make this eraser looks bigger again? You can using the zoom by pressing Ctrl on your keyboard and scroll up. Okay, you can scroll up on your mouse with pressing Ctrl on your keyboard, so you can see our eraser looks bigger. You can see here. Now we can easily remove the draw in our Microsoft Paint sheets. Okay, you can see you can also using this to make smaller or bigger like this. Okay, you can see here. Now that's all how you can increase the eraser size in Microsoft Paint. First using this and the second using this or using Control. Now you have the bigger of the size of your eraser. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.